Hey, what's up? Tomas Keenan, Step It Up Academy. Coming at you guys today from the home office here, and we're gonna dive into one of my most favorite topics, which is company vision. And there's a lot of different ways to do this, a lot of different theories. There's no right or wrong way, in my opinion, as well. But I'm gonna give you the version that has been taught to me, people in organizations that I paid a bunch of money out to learn this from, and I've implemented it into my business as well as several other businesses that I've worked and consulted for over the past decade. And it's a game plan that just works, right? And it's what I'm familiar with. So let's dive in. When we talk about the vision, there's three equal components to the vision. Number one, we've got core values. Number two, we've got your mission, it's your mission statement. And number three, we've got your purpose. These are three equal parts. They have to come together in order to create an actual vision. As a visionary leader, you have to explain this to your team to get them to buy into your overall vision of the company, so you can get everyone kind of rowing in that same direction and on the same channel, same page kind of deal. So the easiest one, in my opinion, to discover and get clarity on is core values. That's typically where we start with our clients here at Step It Up Academy. And it's basically figuring out what it is that you believe in. What are the values that you live and operate by on a daily basis? Whether you're aware of them or not, everyone's got them. And we go through a very step-by-step process that gets clarity upon these values for each person. And then we basically combine them in and turn them into a value set for the company. Number two on the list, we've got mission. And your mission is basically what you do, who you do it for, and by when. Notice we said by when. We're putting a date on this. When we put the date on the mission, we actually turn this into a goal. And it's ultra important to have a goal, to have that goal set for your team so your team understands where we're going. And now we have a KPI, we have a measurable, so we'll know when we get there. Really important when your team hits it. And finally, we've got the purpose. And the purpose is probably the one that's going to take you the most work, will be the most elusive and the hardest to get clarity on. And it's funny, I often use the equation here. It's like, if you go out there looking for your purpose every day, you're never going to find it, right? It's, in my opinion, the same way of finding a wife. And I haven't gone out looking for a wife in a really long time, thank God. I don't want to be in that game these days. But when it comes down to it, imagine you being a dude going into a bar every night looking for that special missus, and you just keep looking, and there's nothing out there. The moment you give up and you surrender is when that person kind of stumbles on into your life and you discover them and you have a long-lasting relationship, right? That's the same principle right there with your purpose. So stop looking for it, surrender to what the world is going to give you, and when you least expect it, you're going to find it.